Hello everybody, I am Professor Hart Toot Toot, and today we're going to continue our Sustainable Science class. Today is part 2 of our Zero Waste Meal Kit, and today we are going to make our Zero Waste Heart. To make our heart, we are going to use felt. We need yellow, brown, neon green, a darker green, a sky blue, a pen, and a pattern. I did not have a big enough piece of the dark green, so I took 3 scrap pieces and I glued them together because I'm using what I already have at home. Now the next step, we are going to take our pattern and we're going to cut out the large heart. And the pattern, you can download the pattern upside down and we're going to draw around it. There's step 1, and now we're going to cut this out. That's step 1. Now this piece goes underneath, and the green is what represents the Earth's heart. That's part 2. Now we're going to cut out the middle heart, but we're not going to cut the arrow. We're going to cut around the arrow. Okay, now we have the next piece we're going to cut, and this heart is our shining heart. So we're going to draw the pattern onto the neon green. And so now we cut this out. And this will go in the center. And now we need our worm and our yellow arrow for the sun. First I'm going to cut my arrow, but I'm not going to cut the worm. I'm going to cut around the worm. Okay, so let's cut out our arrow. My piece of fabric is a little bit short for the arrow, but that's okay. I'll just make my arrow a little bit shorter because I'm using what I already have at home. And then we'll do it up top here by the pointy part. there is our arrow. And that is going to go across our heart. Now let's make our worm. So we're going to cut out the worm. I have this dark brown, which I've been using. Here's a scrap of a lighter brown. So if you don't have the dark, you can use the lighter. But I'm going to use this dark one here. And I'm just going to cut right around my worm. It's round at the ends. Curve around. Our worm, and that would go in the middle. This leads in our heart. So I'm going to cut a little slit here and a little slit here. The easiest way to cut the slit is my arrow would sort of be going here. We're just going to make a little fold here and a little tiny cut like that, see? And then we're going to put it above or under first. There. And then our worm is going to go on top, and everything will go here. So now I'm going to glue it together. Here is our lovely zero waste heart. It's finished and dry, and now we're going to put that onto our fuzzy hiking backpack. So in order to put it on here, we can either use a glue gun or we could sew it on, and it would be better to sew it on. If we only sew here, here, and here, 1, 2, 3, then this will become a pocket. We could put something in the pocket. So what I'm going to do then is just sew these edges. Here's our finished bag, and we have a little pocket, and we are also going to make the butterfly, and all you need is a flat stick. This is a popsicle stick, and a piece of orange fabric. I'm using felt, and we just glue it like this, and that's how you make our little monarch butterfly. So this will also be a pattern that we will give you along with the pattern for the zero waste heart. And that is our project for today. This is your take along zero waste bag, and inside you will put your kit.